Number 8. Amylase and pepsin are digestive systems. The shapes of their active sites are different. What causes the difference in the shapes of their active sites? Okay, so it says the shapes of their active sites are different. Of course, the enzymes are made of proteins, and proteins are made of amino acids. Which means all these parts are made of many amino acids. Okay? So this shape of active site depends on the types of amino acids. So in our body, there are about 20 different types of amino acids. And depending on the different types of amino acids, the active site varies. Okay? Hence the answer is C.